Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove the background noise using OBS. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Do note that I have also added an input audio source. Right now I just want to add noise suppression for this input device. Well, it is quite easy. Simply right click on the audio input device and these things will open up. From here, what you guys need to do is simply click on filters. Once you do that, this page will open up. At the bottom left, you will see the plus icon right here. Click on it and then it is gonna provide you with these things, from 3-band equalizer to simply upward compressor. And right now what we want to do is simply focus on noise suppression. Simply click on this filter right here and rename it if you wish. Once it's okay, simply hit on OK here. And that is it guys. That's how we add noise suppression in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.